तकरीर पेश करें। Would like to request you to please open your camera and unmute your mic. शबीना अपना माइक ऑन करें, कैमरा ऑन करें और अपनी स्पीच प्रेजेंट करें। होस्ट प्लीज मेक आरिफा मैडम को होस्ट।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर। ओके सर। सर स्टार्ट करूं? Good morning everyone. I am here to present a speech on APJ Abdul Kalam. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was a scientist who later became the 11th President of India. He was on the respected person of the country. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, popularly known as the Missile Man of the India, was born on 15th of October 1931 in Rameswaram, Tamil Nadu. He studied physics and aerospace engineering. His contribution to the Indian Space Research Organization are unforgettable. He was the first scientist to occupy the Rashtrapati Bhavan. Dr. Kalam was also known as the People President. He was awarded with many awards like Bharat Ratna, Padma Vibhushan, and many more. He decided he would live to the development of the country. Dr. Kalam has been a legend and every person respected this great personality of his achievement, contribution and simplicity. Will always be remembered. Thank you.